In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit links in Draw.io for Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your diagram inside Confluence and update the link on any shape quickly and confidently. Start by heading to your Confluence space and navigating to the page that contains your diagram. You'll need edit access to the page to proceed. If you're viewing the page, hover over the diagram and choose the option to edit it. Depending on your setup, it may say Edit with Draw.io or edit with diagrams.net. If you're already editing the Confluence page, simply double-click the diagram macro to launch the diagram editor. Give it a second to load. You should see your canvas, layers, and the toolbar across the top and left. Once the editor is open, decide which shape, icon, or text box needs its link updated. Right-click directly on that element to open the context menu. From here, look for the link or edit link option. This opens a small dialog where you can make your changes. If you're linking to an external website, paste the full URL, including the protocol, like https://example.com. This helps avoid broken links. If you want to link to another page in Confluence, use the in-app page picker if it's available. It keeps the link stable even if the page title changes later. You can also link to anchors within the diagram or specific pages inside a multi-page diagram. Many teams prefer to set links to open in a new tab so viewers don't lose their place. If you see that option, toggle it on. To remove an existing link entirely, clear the field or select Remove in the dialog. When you're done, click Apply or OK to save the link on that shape. A quick way to verify your change is to switch to the Hand or Viewer tool, then click the shape and confirm the link preview looks right. When you're satisfied, close the editor and save your changes back to Confluence so everyone sees the updated link. If you need to apply the same link to multiple shapes, hold Shift to select them all, then right-click and edit the link once. It will apply to all selected shapes. And if a shape is small, consider placing the link on a larger group or a transparent overlay shape so it's easier for viewers to click. That's it. You opened your diagram for editing in Confluence, right-clicked the shape you needed, and made the necessary link changes with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy diagramming.